So this is a little different. Today I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning in my good clothes. I'm at my office at work and I have never filmed in here before. I don't clean in here a lot. We have a cleaning lady that comes every other week. She does a good job, but she doesn't like to get too in depth with our stuff and move too many things around. She doesn't want to break anything, but she does wipe down as much as she can of the desk and empty the trash and mop the floors. But I have a lot of traffic in and out of here, so I just want to sweep a little bit, empty my trash can because it's full again already, disinfect my keyboard, wipe down my computer screen, just all those types of things. So I thought it would be fun because y'all always see me in my house, in my leggings or my workout clothes, and I thought I would just show you what I do. I would say about every couple of weeks, maybe every month. It just depends on when I think about it and how busy I am. So I bought a few things from home. I had a couple of things here. So in just a second, I'll show you what I'm gonna take care of. But I hope you enjoy this and just seeing a different atmosphere while I get this done. And that's all I can think of to say right now. So if you wanna leave me a comment, let me know what you think of this environment and if you like to see in a different area for a change, or if you would just rather see me in my house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy it. And now I'll show you what I'm gonna tackle. Coming into my office, the first thing that jumps out at you is my desk. People sit in these chairs and put their feet all over it, so it's got scuff marks and dirt. I'm gonna get that wiped down. The floors, I don't know if you can tell, but they definitely need to be swept. I bought this bag from home, and here I've got shop towels, Lysol spray, disinfecting wipes, and Method. The glass cleaner was already here, so I'll just use that. I need to wipe down my chair. You can see down here, it's kind of dirty, and then like things collect on the sides where the arms are. I need to wipe down my desk and my keyboard. I have this little wrist rest here, and in between it and underneath the keyboard, I'll get a few crumbs. I keep this little mirror on here covered in fingerprints, so I will wipe that off. I probably need to grab that windowsill over there. I have a feeling it's not too clean. I'll do my computer screen. I need to wipe down that door, especially around the doorknob. And then this door tends to get pretty dusty on the wooden parts and dirty, as you can see there. And again, I'll just sweep. You can see a little bit there, and then definitely like under my desk where my feet are gets pretty dirty, and I need to empty the trash. So this shouldn't take me too long. Like I said, she does a good job overall, but I definitely need to do a few maintenance things. So let's get it done. As we get into it, don't forget to subscribe because I want you here and I would love to have you.
I got you hypnotized. Take a real close look now. I'm going to show you how. I'm about to get down. So keep it up right now. So keep it up. So keep it up with me. I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy.
I like the Method multi-purpose cleaners, but I don't love them. Mrs. Meyer's is my favorite, so that's why I bought this to work and left those at home.
Right. I know we kick it like no one else. We kick it like no one.
Yes, I know there was something on the back of my pants. It was driving me insane throughout this whole video, but I ended up with stuff on my shirt, things in my hair. I waited till later in the afternoon to do this because I had a feeling that would happen, but when you gotta get stuff clean, it is what it is.
Take a real close look now. Baby, I'm versatile. Watch me when I come down. I make it worth the while. Take a real close look.
I really wanted to get everything off of my desk and get it disinfected, partly because that just needs to happen on a regular basis, but I do also share this space with somebody else that fills in for me on my days off.
I need to move. I need to feel the beat. Don't be a fool. You wanna hang with me. Life isn't easy. You gotta roll the dice. You wanna change. You're in the paradise. So bring it on if you wanna hang with me.
I used one of my shop towels to finish drying off the desk and get some of the lint and dust that was still on there, and now I'm going to take care of my computer monitor. To take this time to introduce myself. My name is Crystal. I live in North Carolina. I am a full-time working wife. My husband and I do not have any children. It's just the two of us with our extended family as well. I hope you guys enjoy cleaning and organizing, some decorating content. If so, I would love to have you join my family. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm usually in my house, as I mentioned before, but I did want to show you guys a different atmosphere to see what you think of that. I'm always slow on my Christmas decorating content. I'm just one of those people that doesn't want to put my Christmas up in October or the first part of November, even though I am a content creator. But my husband and I did get our very first Christmas tree together. We got that up and decorated. I'm gonna finish doing some other little decor touches because I keep things simple. So next Sunday, that will be my video. I'm so excited about it. So make sure you're subscribed with your notifications on so you don't miss it. This printer is super heavy and I did not feel like trying to move it, so I just got the area all around it nice and wiped down.
It's too late, I know now, I'm giving in, I can't back down, and you're so hot, your web I'm caught, just one more night, tell me to stop, although I know we must come to an end. I tell myself I'm okay, but I know that I shouldn't pretend. I'ma do it anyway, gonna beat up, want you back up, I'ma let my hair down now, wanna get down to my favorite sound, I'ma let you in real close, I know I shouldn't do this right, I'ma do it anyway.
These drawers were almost as dirty as my desk, so I'm just gonna use the method on those as well.
Although I'ma let my hair down now. Turn the beat up, turn the beat up. I'ma let my hair down now.
If you're brand new to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you'd introduce yourself in the comments. I try to respond to all of them. I don't know if I'll ever get to the point where I can't sustain that, but for right now, I love meeting you. And you can just say anything you want, what you think of my video, where you are, what you're doing while you're watching, anything like that. I would love to hear it. Now that my chair is clean, I'm taking care of this windowsill. It didn't look too bad on the part that I could easily see, but this part behind the printer cabinet was awful. There was like a dead ladybug and some other little bugs, a spider web, so I definitely wanted to take care of that with a disinfecting wipe. I also like to spray these chairs with Lysol. They are sat in on a regular basis by random people. I usually keep this door open, so I didn't realize just how dirty the actual glass was. I knew the wood was dusty and dirty, but once I got up close, it needed a lot of elbow grease, so it took me a minute, but I'm gonna get it taken care of.
The way you took in the room, well, it was like you owned it. The stage was yours, didn't want it. It's about the hardest thing I've ever seen. And when I saw you, knew that I saw you. Said I see you leaving, I am coming too. Ooh, I'm moving in closer. You know I'm coming for you. I'm getting ready, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Ooh, baby, ooh, I'm getting even closer. And boy, I'm coming for you. Ready or not, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Ooh, baby, coming for you. Coming for you. Coming for you. Ooh, baby. You said I think I'll call you. I just said by that won't answer. You laughed and said how to play it cool, and I know you won't be there to see. Just a note by mail. Must have been 2 weeks later. I've been a good boy, never called you. Meet me at the club tonight. I think it was a quarter past, and there you were. You said you know I need you healthy.
Right before I was gonna sweep, I noticed that the side of my desk was also kind of dirty, so I wanted to take care of that. Then I'm gonna get this closet door wiped down. That's just a storage closet. I've got all kinds of stuff in there, lots of fingerprints around the doorknob, and then I will get the floor swept.
I'm getting even closer. And boy, coming for you. Ready or not, I'm coming, coming, coming. Ooh, baby, coming for you. Coming for you. Yeah, coming for you. Coming, coming, coming. Ooh, baby, coming for you. Coming for you. Coming for you.
to sweep. I hardly ever sweep anything. I love using my cordless vacuum, but I was not bringing that thing to work. So I do keep a broom in my closet because I have to sweep pretty often. There's always stuff that shows up on these darker color floors. But let me know what your preference is. I know some people like to sweep, some people like to use their vacuum, and then some people it just depends on the occasion. Sunlight was coming in strong on this clip, but I like to empty my little trash can into this big one that's outside of my office and that the public can use as well, and then I'll take the whole trash bag out. So I'm gonna put a new bag in the bigger one and mine as well and move on to the next thing. After taking care of the trash, I just needed to take care of some paperwork. Some of it was not in the folders that it needed to go into, and then I just needed to straighten that up a little bit. This is one of the times I wish I had smell-o-vision. That's one thing. So the cleaning lady doesn't get a lot of the detailed areas. As you saw, my windowsill was so nasty. But the cleaning stuff she uses doesn't have much of a smell to it. And y'all know I love some stuff that smells good. So I am so happy. Everything is wiped down, disinfected. It's not a deep clean because you saw how I was dressed, but it's as good as it's gonna get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this type of cleaning motivation where you see me at work. Thank you for hanging with me. I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.